Hi, Nana. We meet again at the Animarsh Lab. What kind of experiment are we going to do today? Wow! They're eggs and plates. What are we going to do with these? What are you going to do with all this stuff, Nana? The eggs are spinning! Why does one egg spin faster while another one spins really wobbly? Let's find out together. What actually makes both of these eggs spin differently? Whoa! This one is still liquid. This one is the hard-boiled egg. The egg that spins fast is the hard-boiled one. And since the white and yolk of the raw egg are still liquid, the raw egg will spin wobbly and unsteadily. It turns out that the cooked white and yolk of the hard-boiled egg make it firmer and more stable. Therefore, the egg can spin fast and steadily. This time the experiment was really delightful. Thank you, Nana. Bye!